What's BitTensor's weakness? Like, if you had to pick one, like, the thing that keeps you up at night,
Ooh,
what's
good one.
the other side of this coin?
Yeah, I think there can be, yeah, there's, I mean, with every technology that there's always some weakness. I think one of the things is like it's very difficult to find the right project. Right. Like I think it can be very difficult to find parameterize your problem in the right way to get the actual most benefit out of it.
Got it.
It's kind of an art, and it takes a lot of time to figure out what that looks like. Sometimes you can find a problem where if you're not expressive enough, like you won't be better than the version that you created because you've been the one thinking about this problem for many months, if not years, and then trying to launch it on BitTensor. If you don't do that in the right way, you won't end up in a good place, right? So again, like places like BitStarter are trying to circumvent this, where you can talk to someone like myself or talk to someone else in the community and be like, oh, obviously that won't work, and you can go further with this. Yeah, do you have anything that you want to say, Chris?
I think its biggest weakness is the same as its biggest strength. And it's captured in this phrase, which is if your system only works when people play by the rules, your system doesn't really work. BitTensor, you have to design your product as if it's for the people exploiting it, because you know that it's going to get exploited. You have to think in this really unusual inverse way where you have to design it with the exploit in mind, so that it's almost like a jujitsu move whereby when people go to exploit you, you use that power against them and it gets stronger, right? And thinking like that is very unusual. We don't think like that in most of life.
Because your miners are your users. And normally you'd be like, we got to do everything we can to make this as smooth and clean and enjoyable for them as possible. But in this case, it's like, yeah, but they're also trying to screw me. And so I have to navigate around that in advance. Yeah.
So you're not launching a business or a startup. You're launching a network, right? And actually, networks are the more appropriate home for AI than a business, which is limited, proprietary, closed bot. That's not where AI is eventually going to live. And the clue is in nature, right? Look at how intelligence develops in the natural world. It didn't develop in a single place. It developed through the survival of the fittest, natural selection in a distributed system of predator and prey. Wow. That's exactly how we're building intelligence on BitTensor, miner validator, right? You're distributing the roles and you're creating the adversarial environment for that to grow. So it is the better home for it. It's just, if you thought running a startup was hard, try running a BitTensor subnet.
Try running the process of evolution.
Notion is the AI-powered connected workspace for teams. It brings all your notes, docs, and projects into one space that just works. And with AI built right in, you spend less time switching between tools and apps and more time creating great work. And now, with Notion's custom agents, busy work that used to take hours or never got done at all runs itself. And my company, Launch, is run entirely on Notion. It is the single source of truth for our company, and custom agents are now here, and they can specialize anything you can come up with. Unlike AI chatbots, which, they just stick around, they wait for you to ask a question, you can assign your custom agent to ongoing tasks. So you can have them do regular updates across the entire system. Like, hey, alert me to what people are working on, or keep track of the docket for the next podcast episode, and even checking when I got new ads to read. We're leveling up the This Week in AI newsletter, and I assigned hire a new writer to our task routing agent. Now, Oliver has started this project the moment he opens his computer in the morning. And now producer Oliver just starts that project the second he logs into his computer in the morning. Can you imagine? An AI to keep an eye on what everybody's doing, not in a creepy way, but in a productive way, like a coach, and dropping a new task to the next available person. That's what this is all about. Try custom agents now at notion.com/twist. That's all lowercase letters. Notion.com/TWIST to try custom agents today. And when you use our link, you're supporting our show. Notion.com/twist.